Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta Ambiente, stock reference number 5461. This shape runs from the 6th month 2013 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, bonnet appears to have no damage, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, 5-speed manual gear shifter, manual type console, heated controls, single stack control panel, single stack head unit, display cluster, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.